when you connect an external audio device to Sonos. It can be the RCA cable you find at the back of the port and the amp, the headphone jack you find at the back of the 5, the HDMI input you find at the back of the ARC and the Beam, or even with the optical input if you use the HDMI adapter. There is something very important to consider, and this is the audio delay. I will first show you how to do it, and then I'll explain the why and how. So first you will need to take your phone on the Sonos application, and you will go at the lower right corner where you can find the setting gear, and then we will go into System, and then you can choose the room where your external audio device is. Actually, I will pick the Sonos 5. I name my room accordingly to the name of the speaker. But you maybe for your case it will be the living room, the kitchen, or whatever. And then we go a little bit lower and you can find the audio delay. So we go into that, and from here you have a 4 option: the low, medium, high, or max. That goes between 75 milliseconds to 2 seconds. So why there is an audio delay for the audio input? Because unlikely the streaming services you can listen on Sonos like YouTube Music, Spotify, and any other services, Sonos have to process in real time what it's sent to it, digitalize it, and send it to the other speaker in your house, if you want to listen on other speakers, and make it play in perfect synchronization on all speakers. With a delay of 2 seconds, it gives Sonos enough time to process the information very well and send it to the other speakers at the best quality. If it's an audio-only source that you listen, like a CD player or a turntable, pick the 2 seconds delay. That will give you the best possible quality. On the other hand, if what you want to listen is your computer, a TV, or any other audiovisual source, what you want to pick is the shortest one, the 75 millisecond. Otherwise, there will be a delay between what you see and what you hear. A bit like at this moment. My lips doesn't follow at all what you can hear. In fact, they are saying what you're gonna hear in 2 seconds, and that's not funny to listen. And for real, to my ears, the difference in audio quality between 75 milliseconds and 2 seconds, it's hardly noticeable. About the other delay, the 113 milliseconds and the 150 milliseconds, well, I don't suggest them. Well, when you want to listen to music only, pick the 2 seconds. It will give you the best audio quality. And when you're watching something, well, pick the lowest one. At 75 milliseconds, you won't be able to notice it. I mean, 75 milliseconds, it's really fast. Well, it's fast like that. Have you seen it? It's fast like that. It's very fast. However, at 150 milliseconds, well, I can start to notice it if you pay attention. But maybe you can pick this choice if you want to create a delay. I was doing the editing and I've just realized something. It's the fact that when you listen to something online, the speakers have the opportunity to create a buffer because they are playing something that is recorded. On the other hand, when you're playing something that comes on an input, you have to send it very fast to the other speaker. That means at 75 milliseconds, if there is a problem into the network, a Wi-Fi interference or something like that, well, you may experience some little cut. But if you go up to 2 seconds of delay, it gives the opportunity to Sonos to create a buffer. So if there is something wrong in the network or in the Wi-Fi, well, it have a 2-second buffer to repair it before you can hear it. So going up to 150 may give you a better experience in terms of audio not cutting. So the audio delay is more for audio stability instead of audio quality. If you are listening on the ARC or a Beam, well, let's go for the ARC. and we will go just a little bit lower. You can see you have the group audio delay, which is the same thing as we have seen, and you also have the TV dialogue sync. So if your sound is coming faster than what you see, well, you can create a delay up to +5. They don't say what +5 is, but if that's your case, just go in that menu, play with it. So while you're playing in it, it's applying it just right now. So watch the TV, adjust the delay until you're satisfied, and then leave it like that. Leave the menu, and you're done. You can now enjoy your Sonos system. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description. And you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!